Hello, this is Mike CHESLIK, director of Hundreds of Beavers. We shot this cave interior of Ryland in Steinhoffel Studio outside Milwaukee because it was an actual interior where we needed to control the light, but usually when we were doing green screen, we were just shooting on a green tarp outside for anything that was daylight, and the movie's mostly daylight. The plates are all drone footage from an ice cave in Lake Superior, so I'm drawing all this stuff and I'm going out in the woods with a big binder full of our boards, and we're just doing that. So here's the tarp with the wolf. We only had one wolf, and we just duplicated him with some movie magic. We stole the backwards snowshoe thing from Death Hunt, but this one wolf has seen Death Hunt, so he follows the snowshoes backwards. So this whole cave geography is a fake geography, and to try to make it consistent, we shot the plates of the cave separately from the subject. I even added a little background when Ryland's up in the tree. Now, I like to say that we're always sticking with the boards with this movie, but actually right here, we're off the boards because we added more shots, cutting back and forth from Ryland to the wolf to add suspense. Then Ryland sneezes a Shutterstock image out of his nose and accidentally gets his fourth kill. Again, we have fake backgrounds here that kind of matched how I saw the slope of this cave area. Black and white's very forgiving of my bad compositing. After the kill, he puts down the wolf, and I'm adding the icicle to his eye, deleting Max's face, cutting to the prints, and all these snow prints were practical but heavily adjusted in post. And then Sherlock and Watson are practical. My wife made that hat for him. Here at night, we shot this mostly practically with adding the icicle. It was negative 20 degrees that night, and then Ryland pulls out this prop made by Brandon Kirkham, where we put all our fingers in the maggots that are living inside the heart, and these later become bait. That prop also doubles as like a tackle box in the next scene. So here Ryland's using his finger to manipulate the worm, little movie magic for you, and then he's got a bunch of milk in his mouth that he spits out after he chews the worm for a beat. Now we're outside with our fake snowman, which is basically just photoshopped together. Very sophisticated fly effect, and then the heart comes back. You can see Ryland kind of screw up the hiding the worm thing with some bad sleight of hand. Here's a fish puppet created and puppeted by Brandon Kirkham. And then my favorite gag in the movie where the pole is pulled down into the water because the snowman can't fish, so Ryland rebuilds him as a buff snowman using the buff snowman I created in the snow.